Mr. That door is locked, Mr. Smith. Okay, we're on the record in clause number 325350, State of Texas versus Marcus Calais, or Calais. I was, let's see, Mr. Kelly, you representing Mr. Calais, and then Ms. Ramos representing the state. Now, it's I guess a question for both of you all. I looked at the, I was looking at the pre-sentence investigation report that we had ordered. And just for the record, now it notes here that it was a plea bargain, and I see 5 days, you have to see defense, community service. Now, Ms. Ramos.
Yes, Your Honor.
And this is for you also, Mr. Kelly.
Yes, Judge.
If I'm not mistaken, the state and the defense had an agreed plea, and I ordered a PSI. Was that the?
Yes, Your Honor. You had some concerns about the lightness of the agreement, and I indicated to the court that I was simply doing as our office sometimes does, which is follows offers that were previously given.
Okay, so no, so my question was that this was not an unagreed plea, it was an agreed plea.
Yeah, Judge, I'm with you on that. I don't know where that notation.
Yeah, that's what kind of confused me.
No, there was an agreement between the state
Right.
and us.
But did you see that on the cover, Ms. Ramos, where it says plea bargain?
Yes, I did.
Okay. Now, there's another issue that I need to get clarified. It may or may not be an issue, but and that issue is maybe one of conflict of interest. And the reason why I say that is because this was an incident that occurred. Well, this courthouse was alleged to have been the place that the threat was made. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. And I had a similar concern with that I brought up with my supervisor here in the office, and he said he would let the court make a decision on.
Yeah, what I'm thinking is, now I have a call in on this issue that has to be researched, and and so what I'm thinking, because it is a situation and there may be a potential conflict of interest. Okay, I don't know the answer to it right now, but before I can proceed, I need to have the answer to that question. Mr. Kelly, do you understand what I'm saying?
I do, Judge, and I suppose our position would be that even though it maybe wasn't spoken out loud at the beginning of this case or the beginning of my representation, if the court recused itself, then there's nobody else with it.
Well,
we don't believe that the court is a witness to the offense. That's what I'm trying to say.
Well,
Yeah, but the court might be considered a victim, I think, is what
right.
judge is getting at, Mr. Kelly.
Right. And so what I'm of the abundance of caution, before I go any further, I need to find out the answer to that. Okay. And so at this point, like I said, there's some research is well. The question was, the issue has been raised, and I'm trying to get an answer to it. I don't have the answer right now. Okay. This is a legal issue.
Nothing to do with you.
Yeah, right. Yes. This is a legal issue.
Yes,
and so of the abundance of caution, I think that has to be resolved before I can go any further with it. Okay. And so what I'm going to do is, I know Mr. Calais is coming from Louisiana, right? And so Mr. Calais, we don't want to, we want to take that into consideration is what I'm saying. And so, by taking that into consideration, we're gonna give you as much time as we need so you wouldn't have to continue to be coming back and forth, is what I'm saying.
I already did it for a whole year.
Okay, but just, whatever, tell your attorney, y'all can get together and y'all can get a court date
Sure.
for us to come back and revisit it.
I just wanted to please the court with the
Oh,
time that they want from me. So
okay.
I can go on with my life.
I understand, but just, you have an attorney?
Yes, sir.
Just please listen to, your attorney.
Yes, sir. Thank
Okay.
you, Your Honor.
All right, so we're gonna be in, this case is gonna get reset, and, we can get a court date. And, if I find out the answer sooner, I'll let,
That's understandable.
your attorney as well as the state know.
And I want to say on his behalf, Judge, not that we get extra credit for doing the things that are required of us, but he hasn't missed a court date that I'm aware of while I've been representing him. He hasn't missed an appointment with my office, whether in person or by phone.
I understand,
That includes the precincts.
Yes.
He's done all the things
I
that you'd
understand.
expect him to do.
Okay,
Okay.
so we can get the reset and then just follow, just stay in contact